Hello, my name is Marian Hönsch from Enocean GmbH. Let us talk today about the Enocean IoT Connector. The Enocean IoT Connector is a piece of software we provide as a Docker container image. And its main purpose is to cut down the time, effort and the connected costs which are associated with using Enocean devices. We lift the data interface from the Enocean radio to a nice and comfortable JSON interface where you can pick up the data and feed it to your application. We are not providing the end dashboards or any data analysis, we just make the data flow easier for you. The Enocean protocol and devices are optimized for energy. Therefore, post-processing algorithms are required to extract the payload data. And this is what the IoT connector does and much more. With the right usage of an existing building infrastructure, for example, wireless access points, the Enocean IoT connector can cut even down the hardware costs. Its main use case is to run in cloud or locally. It is aimed for smart spaces applications, for example, people, activity tracking, desk occupancy, or smart cleaning. But there are many more applications you can enjoy with the IoT connector. When you visit our homepage, iot.enocean.com, you can find all related information to the IoT connector, the technical manuals, and even get a trial license or a commercial license. I hope you can enjoy the IoT connector and build fantastic applications with it. Thank you very much.